Do you have another sugar with skin on it as well, do you? Okay.
Orville, why say anal? We're at home, we can do whatever we want.
Yeah. I was good fried skin because it's going to be crispy and nice. I like fried skin. Nah, it's too expensive. Kebab is better.
We used to do that all the time.
Not anymore.
Because we're boring now.
Nah, get some money in the house first.
You ain't got no money.
Still didn't empty the bin properly, you know. I'm going to call them when they're not empty. I'm sorry.
I saw two bin trucks today.
And they were both blocking up the road.
Yeah.
It's sad.
And not doing no work.
I saw some empties and rubbish from one bin into another bin. I don't know why. Why would you empty the rubbish from one green bin to another bin?
Because I'm filling it up.
Yeah, but just put the bins on the lorry and empty them. Because he's throwing
Off and off.
He's throwing the rubbish from one green bin to the other, and the rubbish is getting all over the floor. And then they don't pick the rubbish up off the floor, and then they just go.
I left it there. It's ridiculous. I think I'm going to keep away from that type of work. I'm just Typical work was my first introduction into this lorry thing. I'm sticking with that. I'm not doing nothing else. I like being on building sites. It's nice.
Men are.
Tell them.
Oh my gosh, I clean this up.
There's a woman there, any woman there in destruction, you know that though, in destruction people cause problem.
Scrub for like so.
Can't be scrappy here.
She's too slow.
Try what?
Running away, guys, you go. Say hi to me.
Hello, great AC.
Here's coffee last night. Give our kiss hug. Kiss hug. I feel like if I didn't clean that, it would still be really dirty today.
It would get clean.
I cleaned it, period.
That's for.
It's literally spotless. When I was done, I could see my reflection. I was so amazed.
Hang on, that's for chicken curry. That's for
Chicken curry.
This is for the Nando's.
Nando's.
This is for marinating overnight. So I want to marinate in that bowl.
Then
Or should I marinate in this bowl?
this one.
This one.
This
Marinate in here.
This one. This marinate in this one. Switch.
Okay, hang on. Let me get a chopping board.
Pause.
That just needs to go there.
This?
Yeah. I'll transfer this to this bowl.
Raw chicken makes me cringe.
Coming back then, did you?
I'm used to it now. What?
Coming back.
So I've gone out?
Gotta work on it.
Oh, I don't know. He must have left before me and Shasha got back.
Yeah. You start 2 o'clock.
What's this? What chicken is this?
Breast.
Oh my gosh, chicken curry. Why was the chicken curry green last time?
Cause I didn't put no tomato base or something
It
like
feels
that in
so
it.
weird.
We'll dry that out a bit.
How do they find like the right bits to harvest off the chicken?
Because it's the top, they just cut the chest bone and take the meat off it. That's it. So I'm going to.
We're some sick creature, aren't we?
Black man didn't have this thing down here.
No. Orville, I was not awake.
What now?
Hang on, when I do this chicken, are we going to put it on top of the rack or are we just going to put it in here?
Look at this.
What we doing?
No, I'm just saying when we cook that tomorrow, are we going to put it on top of the rack or are we just going to put it in here?
On the rack, because I feel like
It's not going to stick, but it's going to be like a gravy. You know, I'm still eating it, but I just don't want too much stuff to watch.
Okay.
twice.
Now that I look at it, it just doesn't look like enough for everyone, but it always